Okay, hi. So I'm going to share an update about where I'm at on my basically art journey. This is going to be a series where I give weekly updates about starting my own art print business and what I'm learning along the way. I'm over 40 mom of two, neurodivergent, and just trying to figure things out. So the update for this week is basically I'm just trying to focus because I always divert into other directions. I think, oh, let's try this. I have a lot of energy. And then at the end of the day, I just get so burnt out. So this week has been mainly about recovery. And plus, I was sick, and all the kids too. We were all sick together last week. So a lot of it was like, recovering from sickness and then refocusing what my art style is. I found that having too many styles of art to sell, you know, it's it's confusing to the audience, it's confusing. It's too much work for me to do well because again, I have a background in graphic design and I have high standards in what my art looks like and what I want to present to the world. So I got to keep things simple, one style to share and stick to that and stick to one theme, one thing at a time. And just so that I don't feel overwhelmed, and just do one piece a week or one piece at a time and just really focus because I notice too when I don't create enough art, although I have been creating, if you've seen my shorts, the bunnies, the Easter style bunnies, I use kind of that type of form of art or arts and crafts, especially with my kids, to help me get back into creating. And, you know, it helps me to recharge as well. And again, with healing from being sick and being so drained and burnt out, I find doing little art pieces, just from the dollar store, like little wood crafts and keeping it simple and just, enjoying spring that's coming. It's right now, it's finally sunny. We just got through a crazy ice storm in Ontario. And last night the winds were crazy, like loud. Even right now, it's quite windy. You may hear it now and again in the video. But let me get back on track again. So, when it comes to healing and recovery from burnout, I love doing mini art pieces and just practicing and playing with color palettes, color combinations, and colors that reflect what's going on outside, like spring is coming. I would say the colors aren't totally there yet. It's still kind of brown and muddy and mucky because, again, we had a crazy ice and hailstorm yesterday. So, yeah, I'm just about trying to recover from burnout and sticking to one style of art to share with all of you. And, I'll do that in lives, which I'll announce. I will be going live more often here on YouTube and sharing art, like live painting. Because again, I just love sharing art and sharing that you can make a living being an artist and you can be successful because being over 40, that was something that was always dissuaded when I was younger, the arts and being creative. And that's one thing why I'm so grateful for this platform, YouTube. You can share your journey, you can find your people and build a community and just share your art and share your gift to the world. And that's what I want to do. Share these gifts and positivity about art and that you can be creative and you can be successful. You can be successful with your gifts. So, yeah, that is my message to all of you. And yeah, my fellow neurodivergents, don't take on too much. I know we all have the energy to do it, but it's not a good idea because it just leads to burnout. And for me, it just made me get sick faster. So, yeah, just preserve your energy and just focus all your energy on one thing at a time. And I'll have to look at this video again and take my own advice because I tend to, to do that, to veer off and focus on another topic and do all that. And it's just like that all leads to burnout. So focus, do your best to focus on one thing at a time and practice art. Because I know too, when I don't do enough art, I just don't feel good. I don't feel recharged or fulfilled. And, being a mom, that's my other full-time job. That's something I have to focus on. I can't just not focus on that as well. But being a mom, it's so important to do something that brings you joy, that brings you happiness, fills you up, and, where you don't forget who you are. So, especially parents out there, do something that brings you joy, that fulfills you, and, takes you back to who you are. So, yeah, that is my weekly update is focus. So, I'll see you next week with another update on this crazy art selling print journey I'm on. Over 40, changing careers, starting a new career. Okay, take care. Bye.